That's funny. You think I sleep. Sleep is for the weak!
Introducing the pencil. You can write with it. You can... What else can you do with a pencil?
Shove it down your throat.
You can shove it down your... What?
Tell everybody how good I am.
Why?
I thought you loved me, I don't know.
Well, I do. I just wanted to know why you want me to tell everybody.
I don't know, sometimes it feels good to have someone just sing your praises, you know? I mean, not everybody's a big, strong ox like you. Emotionally, sometimes some of us, it gets to us, okay? We need to hear something good about ourselves to feel okay.
Alright, fine. You have good arms.
You mean it?
You're a Care Bear! Uh-oh.
Why you know? I'll show you who's a Care Bear!
There were peanuts in that peanut butter, weren't there? I'm allergic to peanut butter! No matter how fast he ran, he could not escape the demon, but he would not let his soul be taken today!